Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In the last video we used a website admifast.com to gain social signal on our website, on our social post. So in this video we are going to take a look how to increase our points. So go to admifast.com and if you don't have an account, just register. It's all free and log in with your account. Okay, so this is the main interface, and now to increase this point you have two ways to increase this point. The one is manual way and the second is automatic way. So the manual way is, let me first close this tab. Okay, so the manual way is log into your social network like Facebook, Twitter. Okay, I am already logged in with review and deals account in Twitter. Okay, now close all the tabs after login to your social networks, and now choose your network that what would you like to do. Like if you want to like Facebook post or share Facebook post with your account, if you click this Facebook post share, now right now there are 2000 points, and as soon as I click this one I will get 9 points for sharing this thing. Okay, so click, a window will came up and click share and share status and close the window. And now my points are increasing. As you can see, they are now 2009 points. Okay, so this is the automatic way. You can also do this thing with your Twitter profile, like go to Twitter tweets and just tweet this thing and you will get 8 points for tweeting something that is written here, tweet. Yuck. Now to make this process on automatic way, you have to make sure that you are using Firefox or Firefox is installed in your computer, and after that you need to install one more add-on for Firefox. The add-on is iMacros. So go to Google and search for iMacros for Firefox. Yeah, the first link, click on it. Now press this green button here, add to Firefox. It will ask you allow, just click allow and install. Now it will ask you to restart the Firefox, and here in the top right hand side a picture or an icon like this will appear here. Okay, as soon as you restart your Firefox. Restart. Okay, as you can see now there is a new icon of macros, this one here, and just close this tab, open the admifast and again log in with your credentials. Okay, now click this button, the macros button here, and you will see that there is a new window here in the left hand side, and to use this tool you need a script which is coded in IAM. I have created this folder and you can access all this script in the supplementary section of this video, and here are some scripts that will automatically do the social exchange for you, like Facebook follower, Facebook page like, Facebook post like, or Pinterest follower, Pinterest likes, Twitter tweets, YouTube like. So open this folder or extract on your desktop, copy all the social codes, copy them and go to your documents, and in the document folder you will find that there is an iMacros folder. Open it and there are 3 folders: data resource, downloads and macros. Open the macros one and you will see that a demo Firefox will be a folder here. Just paste all the scripts here. Okay, close the window, go to Firefox, again click your iMacros, and you will see that all the scripts are here now. Okay, and since we have already logged into Facebook, let me check it. No. Log into Facebook, close your Facebook, and then you can select any Facebook thing. Okay, say Facebook post share. Select it, and if you press display, it will run one time, and if you give loop like current 1 and max 15, so it will run 15 times. It's all up to you how much you want. So let me first show you how this thing works. Select any script and make sure whatever script you select, you are already logged in. Like if you select Pinterest, then make sure that you are already logged in into Pinterest. Yep, we are already logged in. Okay, so let me show you for the demo for Facebook post share. Select this thing and click play, and the script will automatically go to the URL, and it will automatically click the, it will do everything automatically. You don't need to do anything. Okay, as you can see that I am not doing anything, but everything is going automatically. And we will also get the points, like right now there are 2017 points, and now there are 2021 points. Okay, so you can see it is working. Right now there are 2021. Oops, there was something wrong. Now let me stop this thing and close this window and do the same thing for Pinterest. So click the Pinterest followers, play the script, and you have to just wait and watch. Your points will be increased. And one more thing, you can also install through browser, and make sure that you use Firefox for this thing. And as soon as you set up all the things, you can minimize the Firefox window and open up the another browser and do your work. Okay, so this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it. And by this way you can automate your earning your usual points for AdMeFast. Okay, thanks for watching it.